Gyda'r adar gleision yn cael y fraint o godi tlws pencampwyr adran Genero yn Stadiwm Dinas Caerdydd bnawn Sadwrn, roedd Abertawe yn benderfynol o geisio efelychu tîm y dynion yn narbu de Cymru'r merched. Ar elyrch rwydodd gol gynta'r pnawn, Katie Hosford yn manteisio ar amddiffyn llac i daro ergyd hyfryd i gornel ucha'r rhwyd. Ond 4 munud yn unig barhad y fantais wrth i Caerdydd ddangos pam mae nhw sy'n bencampwyr eleni. Pasio slic ar ochr y cwrt Cosby a thraed chwym Lily Billingham yn creu lle iddi daro ergyd nerthol heibio i Claire Skinner yn y gôl. Chwarter awr i fewn i'r ail hanner ac fe gafodd Caerdydd i heiddiant wrth i Rhian Oakley roed ei 15fed gôl gyngrair y tymor yma mwyn roi'r tîm cartref ar y blaen. A seliwyd y fuddigoliaeth 10 munud o'r diwedd wrth i'r eilydd Zoe Atkins gasglu pas Billingham a dawnsio trwy'r amddiffyn cyn rhwydo'n gelfydd a sicrhau bod yr adar gleision yn gorffen y tymor yn ddigiro yn ogystal â bod yn bencampwyr.
It feels amazing. We've obviously been waiting for this day for a very long time, some of us more than others, and it's just amazing, like the support we have. Obviously last time having over 5,000 people, and it just makes it 10 times more special and makes you want to play better, work more, and obviously at the end having all the support now that we've won and we're lifting the trophy is just amazing.
It's indescribable, you know. We won it 3 weeks ago, and it's been tough to try and keep a game face and keep the girls focused because we wanted to go the whole season unbeaten, and we've achieved that. And you know, I don't know if anyone's ever done it before, but to do it in this league, which is the hardest it's ever been, the most competitive it's ever been, just speaks volumes to the players, and I'm so proud of every single one of them, and I'm just so happy for them that they get to enjoy today, well, enjoy the next couple of weeks. And yeah, like I said, we've won the league, I'm so proud.